Wait. Hi, opposite but same. Summer here with my special cousin Tegan. And today we are doing ratchet sledding because we don't have a sled and I really wanted a sled. So we have cardboard from our Christmas presents. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I go up first. Okay. Oh yeah, this is fun.
You should run and jump on your belly.
This video. Let's just give it one more go around. Ratchet sledding.